Hey, how you doing?
Hi there, I got this 2007 iMac for free. I immediately came up with the idea of making a video showing that it can still be very useful in 2023. Upgrade hardware and software wherever possible and compare it to actual Apple's flagship. I plugged the iMac in and turned it on, and it immediately started to smell burnt, and I had to unplug it. The smell tells us that some component has burned, so we need to disassemble the iMac to see where the problem is. After removing the screen and the logic board, it was easy to see that the capacitor on the graphics card was damaged. I replaced the capacitor and our iMac starts up with no problem. As we can see, it is a 2007 iMac with 20 inches screen, 2 gigabytes of memory, and a 2 gigahertz Intel Core Duo processor. Without changing components, the most recent operating system that we can install is the El Capitan. Let's take a trip in time. And now let's compare its original features with the Mac Studio.
KO.
This has been hard, but don't worry, because I can expand myself.
Changing the processor to a more recent one is also the key that will allow us to update the operating system. Let's take another trip back in time. This time, destination is today. We already have it running with an operating system created 16 years after our iMac went on sale. No problem whatsoever. Works well for browsing and watching videos, to edit images, to work with a text or a spreadsheet editor, to edit videos. Well, for editing videos with the latest version, maybe not.
Thanks for watching.